What's up, and welcome back to Vibe with Thee. We are now vibing. Today we're gonna get down on some hummus. Why? Because even the most basic hummus is 10 times better than store-bought. So I'm gonna show you how to make the creamiest, most delicious hummus. So if you wanna check it out, follow along. Okay, so first we're gonna soak our beans. You can call them garbanzo beans, you can call them chickpeas, whatever you call them. We're gonna soak them. I soak these overnight. As you soak them, they practically triple in size. Let's give these a quick rinse. Then we're gonna throw them in some water with baking soda and cook for about 45 minutes to an hour. The baking soda will soften the outer layer of your garbanzo beans. This layer of skin is tough and it will not break down completely. So removing it's gonna make your hummus so much more smooth and creamy. Once our garbanzo beans are cooked, we're gonna rinse them and add cold water. Now you're gently gonna rub your garbanzo beans in your hands and loosen up the skin. So you want to move them around and then the skins will float to the top. You could of course skip this step, but look at all this skin I'm taking off. Ugh. Let's go ahead and add all of our ingredients. So you may need to stop the food processor a few times and push down the sides. This way everything blends evenly. At this point, let's go ahead and check out our consistency. Yes, this right here is the consistency that we want. Look at that. You want to taste it, see if you need any salt, any lemon, any more tahini. Check it out, but I think this is perfect. Once you're all done, dab it on a plate and customize your prints. I saw this dope ass swirl one time and I wanted to recreate it. I'm not even gonna front. This shit took me so long to do, but it came out so bomb. Look at this. Add your olive oil in the crevices. And look at that paprika for that beautiful contrast. Go ahead and just top it off with some parsley and dig in. And there you have it. Doesn't it look so beautiful? Almost too beautiful to eat, but let's dig in. I like snacking on these with carrots. This is just so creamy. The tahini has that nice spice to it. I can barely taste the garlic. This is so good with wraps. I love to just plate these, have some cucumbers, have some carrots, you know. So if you like this video, go ahead and give me a like, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell to get notified every single time I post. I'm posting every week, so you want to stay up to date, okay? Thanks for vibing. I'll see you soon with a new recipe. Peace. And so there you have it, nice and creamy guacamole. What the Just kidding, it's hummus. Okay. Clearly I have guacamole on my mind. Okay.